Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Sharing the Scoop. And today I have with me is Samruddhi. So hi Samruddhi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Okay. So Samruddhi, can you please introduce yourself for our viewers?
Yes, sure. I'm Samruddhi Kangude. I am from Pune. I am currently a fourth. Currently in fourth term of MBA at IIM Sambalpur, which is in Orissa. And previous to this, I had completed a BA in economics from Ferguson College, Pune. Recently, I completed my internship in Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company as an investments intern, and I'm a finance enthusiast.
Amazing. So Samruddhi, can you tell us a little more about IIM Sambalpur, and as in some more insights about IIM Sambalpur, which only a student would know, and otherwise from outside we would never come to know.
Yes, sure. So, as I told you, I am Sambalpur is in Orissa, which is a very beautiful state, and I am Sambalpur is situated near Hirakud Dam, which is the largest earthen dam in world. And coming to IIM Sambalpur's academics or pedagogy, it works on flipped classroom concept. So what is meant by flipped classroom? So students need to study on their own and do a lot of pre-reads and discussions before the class. And once they come to class, the professors only conduct discussions and students need to participate in that. This is what is flipped classroom. We have a lot of quizzes at the start of the class just to assess who has come prepared and who has not. So this is how the pedagogy works. And we have a brilliant internal faculty and we have a lot of external faculty as well, which comes from various institutes like other IIMs such as IIM Indore, IIM Calcutta, and we have MDI Gurgaon's faculty as well. So faculty wise it is amazing. Student wise also we have uh, we are the IIM with highest gender diversity. Last year we had exactly 50-50%. This year almost similar. So students are from diverse background and it's a really nice experience there.
Amazing. And so, Samruddhi, can you tell us more about how you used to prepare for your MBA exams and how you managed? And as you said that you are from BA Humanities, so was it difficult preparing for an aptitude test like this, which focuses more on maths?
Not really. Though I'm from humanities background, I like mathematics. So preparing for CAT wasn't that difficult. I joined I joined coaching and I studied. So uh, it was not that difficult for me. But then interview and other processes were also there. Uh, so I prepared for it, and my past background, as you said, from humanities background, it actually helped because MBA is something I have learned economics, and MBA is like continuation of that in business direction. So it actually helped me.
Okay. And what were the other calls that you had apart from I am Sambalpur, and what was the interview experiences of all these colleges? If you can compare in regards to I am Sambalpur, as in, if you remember any particular questions that they asked, or what were the things that they were asking you questions on.
Yes. So I had got calls from I am Indore and I am Shillong, and some other colleges as well. In I am Sambalpur, I remember the first question they asked me was this: suppose I'm a layman, then describe, explain me the Indian economy. So basically, in all of the interviews, it all came to my educational background as I do not have any work experience. So this graduation part is the one everyone talks about, undergrad part. So a lot of questions on economics and basic economic concepts came even in I am Indore interview and I am Sambalpur's interview as well. Apart from this, they asked me about my extracurricular activities, my hobbies, etc. So these two are the main parts which were covered in all the interviews.
Okay.
And questions like why MBA, etc., which are very common, they were there.
Okay, okay. And who should target ideally IIM Sambalpur? Is there any predefined mindset that now you can see, because now that you are almost spending 2 years of your career in IIM Sambalpur?
Who should target as in students, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So what I have seen, uh, uh, why people join an MBA course is because either they want to like better their career, or change their career path, or get better opportunities, etc. So what I have seen in IIM Sambalpur is that we in last year I have seen that we have got many opportunities, job opportunities as well as internship opportunities in very good consulting companies. So and I had opportunity to go and give interviews there. So I think people interested in that field have uh, will get this opportunity here better than any other baby IIMs, I guess. And otherwise, in general, those who want to pursue entrepreneurship, that is another thing which I am Sambalpur provides, that we have an incubation center, etc. So support for that is also given, so those students can also target.
Okay,
I
okay. And what are the challenges that you faced throughout your journey? I mean, now that you can actually compare yourself before MBA Samruddhi and after doing MBA Samruddhi.
so the first thing is that multitasking and working under pressure. This is what MBA has taught me. So that is one big change. Other than that, the level of confidence which I had prior to prior going to IIM Sambalpur and after going there. So you need uh, in order to prove yourself, you need to come you need to constantly update yourself and upgrade yourself, and be confident and show that in terms of communication skills, in terms of knowledge, you need to uh, be uh, be better than others. And so this competitiveness has increased in me after joining MBA.
Okay, okay, okay. Amazing, amazing. Any pro tips, Samruddhi, for students who are preparing right now for their management entrance exams? How they
Yes,
should
I
manage their
think.
studies and what should be their thought process? Something on that sort.
So I think for cat, what you need for in order to crack cat, what you need is persistence. So studying regularly is important. For interviews and all, you need to be very confident, and I think you will uh, you will know how to do it once you know why you are doing it. So you need to have this answer to
Clarity.
you need to answer to yourself that why you are doing it, and then you'll find the direction and the right way.
Okay, okay, amazing. So, Samruddhi, thank you so much for your time, and hopefully, we can do such more sessions in the future as well. And all the very best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.